This yacht looks like a swan, but wait till you see what its neck can do. This is Avanguardia, a concept yacht that doesn't just resemble a swan, it acts like one too. The long neck isn't decorative. It's a functional control tower that can lower down or detach entirely to become a separate 16-meter speedboat. And that's just the start. Inside, it's packed with luxury lounges, helipads, pools, and panoramic decks designed to host 60 guests in cinematic style. Forget sleek and minimalist. This yacht is bold, animated, and alive. If birds could own yachts, this would be their flagship.